Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to clear history in Microsoft Edge in Windows 11 in a very simple way. What you need to do is just simply go into Microsoft Edge, and if you open Microsoft Edge and come over into this three vertical line, and then here you will get an option called history. If you click on that, you can see there are lots of history, and then if you want to delete it, just simply come over into this delete icon over here, and it will automatically redirect you to delete browsing history. And from here, you can change the time range by last hour, last 24 hours, last 7 days, or last 4 weeks, or all time. So if we click all time, it will all delete all types of browsing history, download history, cookies and other site data, and cached images and files. If you want to choose autofill from data or site permission or all data previous version of Microsoft Edge and select them all, you can simply clear now, and it will all delete your history into your Microsoft Edge. So this is how you can clear history in Microsoft Edge. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.